The Fitbit Charge 7 is creating a buzz as one of the most anticipated fitness trackers of the year. With rumours hinting at upgraded health features, a new design, and improved battery life, the Fitbit Charge 7 could be the perfect fitness companion for you. But what makes the Fitbit Charge 7 so special, and is Google letting the hype die out? Let's find out. The Fitbit Charge 7 is expected to come with a more refined and premium design compared to its predecessor, the Fitbit Charge 6. The Charge 6 was known for its slim and practical design, but the Charge 7 is rumoured to have a slightly larger frame, providing a more premium feel while maintaining the signature slim profile that Charge devices are known for. Although size options have not been confirmed, Fitbit is likely to keep the overall size compatible with previous bands. However, a larger chassis could make room for a bigger display and enhance the general user experience. The Fitbit Charge 7 is also expected to have more rounded edges, which could contribute to a more modern aesthetic and improved comfort, especially during extended wear. Design improvements are expected to cater to those who prefer a sleeker and more fashionable device, with Fitbit possibly offering more color variants and customizable band options to enhance personal style. One of the most significant upgrades anticipated in the Fitbit Charge 7 is the display. Rumors indicate that the Charge 7 will boast a larger and brighter AMOLED display. This improvement would allow for better visibility, particularly under direct sunlight, and offer users a much more vivid viewing experience. The display is also expected to come with improved brightness and contrast, enhancing the clarity of notifications, health statistics, and fitness tracking information. Additionally, there are speculations about an always-on display feature, which would allow users to check essential information at a glance without the need to interact with the screen constantly. Moreover, the larger display would complement the anticipated software improvements, providing a more user-friendly interface that enhances the overall experience. The Fitbit Charge 7 is expected to retain most of the sensors from the Charge 6, while introducing improvements to enhance accuracy and reliability. Like the Charge 6, it is expected to come with a heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, skin temperature sensor, and built-in GPS. The heart rate monitoring technology, which was already impressive in the Charge 6, could be enhanced for better performance during high-intensity activities. The skin temperature sensor is another area that could be upgraded, providing more accurate readings and helping users track potential changes in their overall health. In terms of hardware specifications, the Fitbit Charge 7 is likely to have improved processing power to support new features and provide a smoother experience. Fitbit has always prioritized health and fitness features, and the Charge 7 is expected to continue that tradition with new and improved functionalities. The Charge 6 was already quite capable in this regard, but the Charge 7 could take things further with enhanced heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and various workout modes. Heart rate monitoring is expected to be more accurate than before, especially during high-intensity exercises. The device could also offer better sleep tracking with more detailed insights into sleep stages and overall quality. Fitbit's dedication to improving health metrics may also lead to enhanced stress monitoring using heart rate variability and other measurements. The Charge 7 may offer advanced features like electrocardiogram functionality, making it a versatile health tracker. There is also the possibility of better skin temperature monitoring, which could be useful for detecting physiological changes. Workout tracking is expected to be refined, with better auto-detection for various activities. Fitbit could also introduce new workout modes or improve the accuracy of existing ones, making the Charge 7 a valuable companion for fitness enthusiasts. The Fitbit Charge 7 is expected to come equipped with reliable connectivity features, improving upon what was offered by the Charge 6. Bluetooth 5.0 or higher is expected for faster pairing and more stable connections with smartphones. NFC is likely to remain part of the device, allowing users to make contactless payments via Fitbit Pay. Compatibility with Android and iOS devices should continue, with potential improvements in smartphone notification handling. While Wi-Fi connectivity is not anticipated, the device's emphasis on efficient Bluetooth functionality could be enough to provide a seamless user experience. The connectivity features are expected to enhance the overall utility of the Charge 7, especially for those who rely heavily on smartphone notifications and contactless payments. Battery life is another area where Fitbit could improve the Charge 7 over the Charge 6. While the Charge 6 offered decent battery life, reports hint that the Charge 7 will come with enhanced battery performance lasting up to 7 days on a single charge. If Fitbit implements an always-on display feature, the company will likely need to enhance battery efficiency to maintain the long battery life users have come to expect. Improved power management systems and a more efficient processor could contribute to better battery longevity. Fast charging could also be part of the package, allowing users to quickly top up the battery when needed. The Fitbit Charge 7 is expected to provide a smoother and more responsive experience thanks to improved hardware. Enhanced processing power should help the device handle various tasks more efficiently, including real-time tracking, notifications, and interaction with the user interface. Given Fitbit's track record of producing reliable fitness trackers, users can expect the Charge 7 to deliver consistent and accurate performance across a variety of health and fitness metrics. While an official release date has not been confirmed, most reports suggest that the Fitbit Charge 7 could be announced sometime in late 2025. Pricing details are also unclear, but it is likely to be within the same price range as the Charge 6, which was priced at around $160. A major concern among users is whether Google is letting the Fitbit brand fade into obscurity. Since acquiring Fitbit, Google has focused heavily on its own Pixel Watch lineup, raising concerns about Fitbit's future. While new Fitbit devices are still being released, the lack of aggressive marketing and innovation has left many wondering if Google is slowly phasing out the brand. The Fitbit Charge 7 could be a critical device that determines Fitbit's relevance in the wearable market. It remains to be seen if Google will choose to support the brand wholeheartedly. So, that's all about the Fitbit Charge 7. Share your thoughts on this upcoming fitness tracker in the comments. Thanks for watching.